Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the conditions of your health. So dear viewers, today in this video I am going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of summer wears floral midi dresses for ladies and girls. So in this video you will find out more than 100 plus design ideas of floral midi dresses for ladies and girls, so must watch this video till the end. You will find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of midi dresses. You will find out alien style midi dresses, you will find out umbrella style dresses, you will find out layer styles, hem style dresses, flare style midi dresses for your party wears, for your casual wears, for your daily work wears. So different and unique ideas of floral midi dresses today I have collected for you in this video. I hope so you guys gonna love these designs. You will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of floral midi dresses. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of floral midi dresses, so please dear ladies, dear girls, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of summer season floral midi dresses for ladies and girls, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section, dear ladies, dear girls. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so much share your opinion in the comment section about my video, about my content or about my channel. I am very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas and for more designs. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so for more amazing ideas, for more collection and for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. You will find out mother of the bride dresses, you will find out party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls. You will find out maxi style dresses, you will find out gown style dresses, midi dresses, frock style dresses, skater dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs, shoes collections, bags collections. So a lot of new ideas, lot of new trending ideas you will find out on my channel related to women's fashions. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. So as you can see, different styles and different types of dresses for ladies and girls. Half sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, sleeveless dresses. All of these are floral printed styles dresses within chiffon fabric, cotton fabric, georgette fabric or silk fabric. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs. So must watch video till the end. It's more than 100 plus design ideas of floral midi dresses today I have collected for your viewers in this video. If you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of floral midi dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. You will get new ideas and new designs of floral midi dresses from this video. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video. Enjoy the video till the end.